of the full drive and adventure show here. I've got Frank in the background here and a whole stack of other traders around. I'm part of the content creators hub here. A bunch of awesome people that have all got YouTube channels, Instagram, Facebook pages, stuff like that. And I'll go through and I'll put all their details below rather than me sort of going around one by one. But it's a really good weekend. It's awesome to have the car here on display. And yeah, I mean, it's a massive show. Like, even with all the COVID and everything that's happening at the moment, it's been really tricky, but these people have been awesome in managing to get it all together and do it all per spec. But kind of fallen in love with this 40 here. These guys right behind me. Yeah, see, yeah, I was going to do that to their video, but you know. But
Overland Travellers, this is Holly, and this is our SA 47 troop in the background.
It's mine now, I've stolen it, but yeah. Yeah. I think I've got him worried. But yeah, it's great to be here. And you know, yesterday was Friday, first day of the show. It's a massive turnout. So yeah, I couldn't believe it. So Saturday now it's going to be massive. So I said massive about 15 times there. So that's pretty cool wrap job there. Dash Offroad, you can follow him as well. I'll put his details below. But yeah, if you're around about, I'll try and get this video up straight away. But if you're around about, come down, check it out, and say hello and grab a Frank the Tank sticker.